With our March 2022 release, we're introducing a brand new, streamlined experience to install and upgrade our ever-growing portfolio of Salesforce-native applications. Here at Blackthorn, our goal is to empower our prospects and customers to feel like a kid in a candy shop. You can walk in, see all of our applications, and then pick and choose which ones fit your current business needs. So that's why we've created the Blackthorn Candyshop. By navigating to candyshop.blackthorn.io, you'll be able to see all of our current applications and their latest versions. The launch of the Blackthorn Candyshop also introduces our base package. The base package is an integral part of this new process. It runs behind the scenes and acts as a container for components that are shared among Blackthorn's apps, such as our upcoming translation feature. And the best part is that you don't need to do anything to get this up and running, as the Blackthorn Candyshop will take care of all of that for you. If you're installing a Blackthorn application, such as compliance, for the first time, then you'll be able to see all of the required steps that will occur during this installation, and have the choice of easily installing into a production or sandbox environment. Once logged in, the Blackthorn Candyshop automates everything, making the entire install process an absolute breeze. If you're simply upgrading an existing installation of one of our apps, you can do that in the Candyshop too. Just like the install process, the product upgrade button will allow you to easily select which org you're upgrading, provide an estimated install time, and highlight the required steps to get you and your business up and running. And as always, we recommend upgrading and installing new versions of our applications in sandboxes before pushing things to production. Moving forward, the Blackthorn Candyshop will be the one-stop shop for all of your install and upgrade needs. So head over to candyshop.blackthorn.io to check out the new experience and get started with Blackthorn today.